everyone! Welcome to Lilia's Bookshelf. I'm Lilia's mom.
I'm Yulia.
Today, we're going to read I Am Snow. Please subscribe to hear more great books like this one. Enjoy! I Am Snow by Jean Marzollo, illustrated by Judith Moffatt. I am not rain. I do not drip, drip, drip. I am not hail. I do not bounce, bounce, bounce. I am not ice. I do not crack, crack, crack. I am snow. I fall gently, gently, gently. I am a million, billion, trillion snowflakes all piled up. Each snowflake is a crystal. Each crystal has 6 sides. Catch one on your mitten. Are there 6 points? Yes. From afar, all snowflakes look the same. Up close, you can see them better. Each snowflake is different. Some snow is wet and sticky. Wet snow makes good snow people and snowballs. Some snow is dry and fluffy. It is easy to shovel. Who loves snow? Skiers, snowboarders, snowshoe hikers, snow sliders. Artists love snow too. This artist cut snowflakes from tissue paper. To find out how, turn the page. 1. Fold a square of tissue paper in half to form a triangle. 2. Fold up the right-hand corner. 3. Fold up the left-hand corner. 4. Fold this in half. 5. Cut off the top. Save the bottom. 6. Cut away pieces from all 3 sides. 7. Open. What happens to cold snow in warm weather? It melts. Just like the rain, it goes drip, drip, drip.
The end.
Thanks for reading this book with us. Please like us on social media for updates on new books. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
Me too.